Morning everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be filming a what I wore in a week video. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Lily. My style is very casual and practical. It's changed probably quite a bit since having my daughter 2 years ago, just over 2 years ago. It's similar, but even more practical and even more comfortable. I don't tend to buy super expensive clothing, but I also don't tend to buy like super cheap clothing. I guess I'm more of like the high-end high street type. And I work from home most of the time and my wardrobe kind of reflects that. Also, just to note, throw something else into the mix. I am currently around 6 months pregnant. No idea how many months I am. I'm just guessing 6 months. So my wardrobe definitely reflects that too. But I hope even if you are not pregnant, this video will be entertaining, interesting, and you know, you can always find non-maternity versions of things. I'll try link any alternatives that I can in the description box. So if you've never watched a what I wore in a week video, I'm basically gonna film my outfit every day this week, and I'll link below in the description box everything that I'm wearing. This video is also sponsored by Missoma, and I'm so excited because I finally have a discount code for you guys. You're always asking me for one, and they don't do them that often, so I'm always very excited when I know that I get to share one with you. I've got a special link that gives you guys 15% off all the items that I'll be wearing in this video and all the items in their Core Icons collection. So go check the description box. There will be a special link there. If you click on that, you'll get 15% off, which is amazing. You guys know I'm a massive fan of Missoma. I find their jewelry so easy to wear on like an everyday basis. You can dress it up for something a bit smarter, but I tend to wear my jewelry just as like an everyday casual thing, and I love mix and matching. Their necklaces especially, their earrings I'm a big fan of. I have a few of their bracelets too. I just think all their pieces are fab. So I'll be showing you every day which Missoma pieces I'm wearing with my outfits. And I'll show you in a moment what I'm wearing today. It's Monday and I'm working downstairs today because we've kind of started our loft renovation today, and Gray's also having a wardrobe built in her new bedroom. So it's all a bit chaotic in the house. It sounds quiet at the moment, but it won't be soon. And today is just a working from home day. I have got up though and like got dressed and done my hair and makeup. It just makes me feel a bit more productive when I'm working from home and I know I want to get stuff done. I find if I kind of stay in tracksuit bottoms and no makeup and stuff all day, I'm less likely to go on Instagram stories and talk to you guys, and I'm more likely to kind of sack off work early in the afternoon. So I do find that getting up and properly getting ready creates a more productive work day from home. Okay, so let's do this Monday outfit. On top, I'm wearing this long sleeve top from And Other Stories. This is not maternity. I've had this for quite a while. They're really just comfortable, quite thin long sleeve tops, very easy to just throw on. And at the bottom I'm wearing some maternity jeans from River Island. These are probably the nicest that I've found in terms of if you don't want skinny jeans. A lot of maternity jeans are skinny. These are straight legged, cropped. If you are looking for a non-maternity version of jeans like this, I would recommend the ones from Arket. I'll link them below. That's what I wore before, just a straight leg cropped jeans. And then on my feet, I'm wearing these really fun slippers from UGG, which I love. They're just so comfortable. They've got the elastic on the back, which I find is a bit safer for like walking around without tripping. So this is my very comfortable working from home outfit. In terms of jewellery, I'm wearing this necklace. I tend to wear this one most days. I think it's called the Catena chain. If I don't know all the names when I'm talking about them, I'm going to be linking everything down below, so just definitely go check out the description box. But I love this chain just for something really simple. If I'm not wearing like a low top and I don't want a statement piece, this is the necklace you will usually find me wearing in most of my videos. I absolutely love the detail of it, and I just think it's beautiful and very simple and classy. And then on my wrist, I'm wearing this snake chain bracelet. I think this is from the Lucy Williams 1987 collection. I love it. Again, just a really simple piece. Looks really nice next to my watch. This is why I got this watch, by the way, because it's got the kind of gold and the silver tones in it. It goes with most jewelry. I love this bracelet, so simple, really comfortable to wear. So because I'm just at home, that's all I'm wearing and feels comfortable, looks great. And I'll check in with you guys tomorrow to show you what I'm wearing on Tuesday. Good morning everyone, it's Tuesday and I'm gonna be showing you what I'm wearing today. The plan for today is to go to the hygienist and the dentist this morning. Haven't been for a while, they're definitely gonna tell me off for not flossing as usual, but hopefully that will all be good. And then I'm gonna go for a little shopping day. I'm going to Westfield. Haven't done that in a really long time, so I'm kind of wearing like a proper-ish outfit, but still comfortable because I'm going to be walking around. Oh my gosh, I get so out of breath now just talking. So this is what I'm wearing. This jacket is really old from Topshop and it's just the perfect kind of shaket, like a thin, like thicker than a shirt, thinner than a jacket. It's perfect for throwing over a t-shirt. So I'm wearing this over my Anine Bing t-shirt, which luckily still fits over the bump. Oh, I've got something crunchy in my pocket. Yeah, that looks about right. So my Anine Bing t-shirt, these are such great quality. I bought a couple of these after Gray was born as like a little treat to myself and they were just the best investment ever. I love them. The same jeans, I don't really have much of a choice of jeans at the moment. And my Veja trainers, these are the ones with the kind of camel suede V on. I love these, they're so comfortable. They have my orthotics in, which means they are my most worn shoes. So this is my very comfortable dentist and shopping outfit today. The Missoma pieces that I'm wearing today is this coin necklace. Again, one of my most worn pieces. I just find that it goes with so many different things. It's not like super statement, but there's more than a simple chain and it sits so nicely in like the perfect spot. I've had this one for a really long time. I wear it a lot, so I thought that went nicely. And these little tunnel hoop earrings. Again, I wear these all the time because they're like slightly bigger than a Huggy, but smaller than like, I find if I wear like proper earrings, it just looks too much. So they're a really easy everyday earring. Can you see? I absolutely love these. I wear them all the time, my most worn earrings. So that's me for today. I've got something crunchy in this pocket too. Naked bar wrapper. Oh, I forgot to show you, I'll be wearing my Gucci Soho Disco bag, which is always my like go-to handbag. It's a perfect size, it's really soft and easy to like shove a load of stuff in and kind of goes with everything. Morning guys, it's Wednesday today and it's a working from home day. I have no plans to leave the house apart from picking Gray up from nursery later. So I've got no makeup on, I've just washed my hair. It's freshly washed, smelling good. And I'm wearing this tracksuit set, which is from H&M. It's a maternity set. I really love the colour, it's like a sage green. And it goes over the bump, and then it's got this kind of matching hooded short sleeve top with it that I really like. It's a bit different from a hoodie, a bit different from a t-shirt. And I'm just wearing my Hush slippers with it, which are so comfy. And that's it, that's my outfit of the day. Very unexcited for a midweek hump day outfit. So it is Thursday today and I'm filming it a little bit later on in the day because I'm going out for dinner with some friends and I thought I'd make a little bit of an effort, make me feel good. I'm wearing this black dress. This was Topshop maternity from my first pregnancy. It's a little bit tight for me, I have to say. I'm not going to show you from the side, but from the front it looks nice. I think it was probably a 10, I'm definitely not a 10 anymore, but because it's stretchy, it kind of fits. It's just like one of those ribbed dresses, so it just stretches with the bump. Goes down to my knee, and then I'm wearing my Hush boots. I absolutely love these. I think they're the Luca boots. I just think they're the perfect length on the ankle. They look great with jeans, they look great with dresses. Everything's very comfortable. I'm also wearing my Chanel handbag, which I wear for kind of special nice occasions, and again it just goes with everything. I love it. So that is the outfit. And for jewelry, I'm just wearing earrings and a necklace. So these are super chunky gold hoops and I just think they look so nice. I love how gold jewelry looks with black, like with a black outfit. It really just like pops and stands out. I always pull these out when I have like a special occasion or I just want something a bit more statement. I think they're not like too big, they're just a really nice size. And then with that, just the snake chain necklace because it's nice and simple. I didn't want them to be like fighting over each other, so I think it's like a really nice length as well for like this high neck dress. I think those go nicely with the outfit. So I'm gonna head out for dinner now. I'm very hungry and very excited, and yeah, this is Thursday's outfit. Hi guys, it's Friday today and it's lunchtime now because I've actually been out all morning. I couldn't film this morning because today is my day with Gray and we went straight out to see a friend. We had like a play date with a couple of friends, went to the playground. So today is like a rushing around after a toddler day. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. I haven't got my shoes or jacket or anything on. This morning I just wore my Veja trainers because they're my like easy go-to comfy trainers. And when I'm with Gray, I just have like a backpack on and with all the stuff I need for her. So that's kind of what I was wearing, not a handbag day. I've just got my jeans on again. And this shirt is from And Other Stories. I just find that And Other Stories do the best oversized shirts. This is like a pre-pregnancy shirt that's like still fits. They do all different prints and white ones and they're just so comfortable. Not too stiff. I find if like the collar's really stiff on a shirt, it doesn't suit me. Just got my hair thrown up in a ponytail today. Haven't got any earrings on, but I am wearing some necklaces. I've got the Catena chain on, which is the one I said I wear all the time. Really perfect for layering. And then this is the large horn necklace, which I really love. It sits so nicely. Like the two lengths work really well together. I like the contrast in like the texture of the two of them. And it just kind of peeks through the shirt. Kind of hobbling because I really sprained my ankle this morning. I like went over the edge of a pavement and I've just been sitting down with ice on my ankle. So that is really sore. So sorry if I'm like huffing and puffing through this one. I need to stay in this afternoon and rest because I'm like hobbling around. It's really quite sore. I'm going to continue my outfits into the weekend and show you what I'm wearing tomorrow and Sunday as well, which might be a bit more exciting because on weekends Rich can carry the rucksack, which means I can have a handbag and I can just be a bit more like normal with what I wear. I feel the weekdays is like loungewear mixed with comfy clothes if I'm with Gray. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another update. Morning guys, it is Saturday. I'm in my office today to show you my outfit, so excuse the mess behind me and any possible noise from upstairs because we've just had a wardrobe built in here. The loft is kicking off upstairs. It's all going on. I'm again very out of breath today. I feel a little bit sick, sorry. I don't know why this week I've been feeling like this. Very strange, maybe because I'm going into my third trimester or something. But today we have a really nice day planned. We are seeing friends for brunch and then going out for a late lunch, like a belated birthday lunch for my dad in Windsor. So that'd be nice. I want something comfy. I'm gonna be sitting in the car for quite a while because I feel not 100%. I just didn't want anything restrictive on my waistline, my non-existent waistline. I'm wearing this dress from Hush and this is actually new in, it's not maternity. I really like the sleeve detail. It's very, very comfortable. This is the sort of length it goes to, and I'm wearing my Hush boots as well, which I mentioned earlier in the week that I absolutely love. It's just a very easy, comfortable outfit. I love the green. It will look really nice in autumn as well. And that's kind of the whole outfit there. Very, very comfortable. Jewelry wise, I am wearing the gold arc coin necklace and the Catena chain as well. I really like how these look together and just add something a little bit interesting to my neck. No earrings today. And we've got to go. We're in a bit of a rush, so we're going to head off to go see our friends. It's Sunday, it's the final day, and the more this week has gone on, the more I've realised that maybe this is the most boring video for you guys because I really don't wear anything that interesting. I feel much better today. God, I felt rough yesterday morning, now thinking back, but I feel much better today. We've got a nice day planned. We've got a 4-year-old's birthday party at like Trampoline World. Gray's gonna love that. And then this afternoon we've got family roast at a pub. So I'm trying to dress for both occasions. Very casual and comfortable. I'm literally just wearing an H&M maternity t-shirt, something a bit tighter, sometimes makes me feel a bit more flattering, and the same old jeans. Also my shoes live downstairs, which makes this a little bit tricky, but I would probably just be wearing trainers. I've kind of done some little like a half pony with a plait type thing. I'm not really sure what's going on with my hair. And jewellery wise, I'm just wearing my little tunnel hoops just to add a little something, because like plain t-shirt vibes, a little bit of an earring. I like that look. So that is it. It's Sunday. I have showed you my outfit every day this week. As I said, I know they're not the most interesting, but also I feel like there's an audience for everything. And if you guys have quite comfortable casual style, maybe you'll like seeing what I wear. Let me know what you think. Everything I've mentioned, including all the Missoma bits, will be linked down below in the description box, so go and check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.